वंदे गुरुपदद्वन्द्वं भक्तबिन्दुसमन्वितं श्रीचैतन्यप्रभुं वन्दे नित्यानन्दसहोदितं श्रीनन्दनन्दनं वन्दे राधिका चरणोदयं गोपीजनसमायुक्तं बिन्दावनं मनोहरम् वाञ्छाकल्पतरुवस्य कृपासिन्धुभ्यो पतितानं पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयतगिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवं। वृन्दावै तुलसीदेव वै पिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्णभक्तिपदे देवी सत्यवत्त्वयि नमो नमः। नारायण नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयो मुदीरये। संकीर्तने कृष्ण कथोपदेशे गौरीयपत्रस्य प्रकाशने च सदानुरक्त गुरु भक्ति युक्तो भक्ति प्रमोदाक्ष जगोद्वरुण्य ध्येयं सदा परिभवग्नमभिष्टदोहं तेथास्पदं शिवविरञ्चनुतं शरणं भेत्तात्यहं पुनतपाल भवद्दिपोतं वन्दे महापुरुषते चरणारविन्दं यत्पादपल्लवनखचन्दमनिच्छटाय विस्फुजित किमपि गबोधु स्वदर्शि पूर्णानुरागत सरस्वसागर सारमूर्ति साराधिका मयि कदा कृपां करोसि। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवसदि गौरभक्तबिंद श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवसदि गौरभक्तबिंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। आजानुलंबित भुजौ कनकाबुदातो संकीर्तनैकपितरो कमलायताक्षो विश्वाम्बरो द्विजवरो जुगधर्मपालो वन्दे जगत्प्रियकरो करुणाभतारो। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। नमामि गंगे तव पादपङ्कजं सुरासुरैर्वन्दितो दिव्यरूपं भुक्तिं च मुक्तिं च ददासि नित्यं भावानुरूपेण सदा नरानं। गंगातरङ्गरमणीयजटाकलापं गौरी निरन्तरविभूषी त्ववामभागं। नारायणो प्रियमनङ्गमदापहारं वरानसीपुरपति भजवीशनाथं। वागीशजुष्वदने लक्ष्मीर्यस्य च वक्षसि यस्यास्ति हृदये संविहितं त्वं नृसिंहमहं भजे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare. Krishna rakshati no jagatrayo guroho, Krishna hi vishambaraha. Krishna deva samuthitam jagadidam, Krishne layam gacchati. Krishne tishtati vishwametadakhilam, Krishna shodasavayam. Krishne nakhila sadagatir vitarita, Krishna yatasmai namaha. Krishna rakshati no jagatrayo guruhu, Krishna hi vishwambara. Krishna deva samuthitam jagadidam, Krishne layam gacchati. Krishna deva samuthitam jagadidam, Krishne layam gacchati. Krishne tishtati vishwametadakhilam, Krishna sodasavayam. Krishne nakhila sadgatira vitarita, Krishna yatasmai namaha. Krishna rakshati no jagatrayo guruhu, Krishna hi vishambaraha. Krishna deva samuthitam jagadidam, Krishna layam gacchati. Krishne tishtati vishwametadakhilam, Krishna sadasavayam. Krishne nakhila sadgatir vitarita, Krishna yatasmai namaha. Gauriya Goshtipati, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Prabhupada, Paramahansa Jagadguru said that when we cannot believe 100% unto the lotus feet of Bhagavan, then and only then all different kind of problems are starting. Gauriya Goshtipati, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Prabhupada Paramahansa Jagadguru said that when we cannot believe unto the lotus feet of Bhagavan 100%, then and only then all different amangal arising. Prabhupada speaking, Mangalmaya Bhagavan, he can give absolute mangal, but we have no faith unto his lotus feet. That's why different kind of amangal arising. That's why, Prabhupada speaking, we must leave, we must throw out Aroha Pantha, Asrauta Pantha, what Brahma told, that I cannot follow. Again and again, Brahma wanted to beg for pardon. Gyane prayasa mudabhasa namantu eva jivanti sanmukaritam bhavadiya vartam sanestita satigatam tanubang manovir jipasa ajita jitopiya sitva istridakyam. Gyane prayasa mudabhasa namantu eva. I can throw out everything. Personal effort. I can believe 100% on the lotus feet of Bhagavan. That's why Aroha Pantha, what is called Asrauta Pantha, should be thrown out completely. And Avaroha Path, Ba Srauta Pantha, we should adopt. Without adopting Avaroha Pantha or Srauta Pantha, we can never get Mangal. If we at all demand Mangal, if at all if we want Mangal, then whatever we have collected in this material life, whatever, land, property or education, whatever we have, If we want Mangal, then whatever we have collected up to now in our life, all matters should be given unto a lotus feet of Guru Padma without any condition. Without any condition, Nishkam. Without any condition, I mean Niskam. We should throw everything. In Rasamrita Sindhu also you can find Gurave Sarvam Gurave Dvadyat. If we reserve everything in our own life, then false ego can arise 100% and we can fall down. So whatever we have collected in our lifetime, all should be offered unto a lotus feet of Sadguru, Guru Padma, without any condition. And we'll have to depend upon His causeless mercy, when and how He can bestow mercy upon us. That we'll have to depend upon. Jnane prayasa mudapasanamanti. I already told. We'll have to depend upon prasada less, a little bit kripa. We'll have to depend upon His kripa. So long as we are not blessed, so long as we are not blessed by Him in true sense, anugrihito, so long as we are not getting kripa in true sense, till then we cannot understand anything, any mystery of this Aprakita Jagat. We cannot understand. Athapite padambujadayo prasado leso anugrihit evahi janati tattan bhagavan mahimno nacha eko pichiram dichinmana. By personal effort, we cannot know any mystery of this Aprakita Jagat. We have to depend upon. Athapite padambujadaya prasado leso anugrihit evahi. If we can get Kripa Prasad of Bhagavan through Guru Vaishnava, then and only then we can understand. Not before that. We cannot understand. By personal effort, we cannot understand. Like Bhagavan told in Chatusloki Bhagavatam already, Jnanam paramam guhyam yad vijnana samanitam sarasam tadangancha jnana varitam maya. Jamanaham yatha bhava yad rupa gunu karmakaha tathaiva vijnanam ustute madanograha. By your personal effort you cannot get. You will have to depend upon my kripa. If I bestow kripa, then you cannot. Not before then. If we don't believe that Guru Padma Sadguru can get Mangal 100%, if we don't believe that Sadguru can give 100% Kripa, Mangal, he can give arranged Mangal to us. If we cannot believe, then whatever we have collected in our life, we cannot live without any tension. Without any tension, we cannot live. Tension must be there. We can think, we have doubts, we can think, well, if I give everything to Guru Padma, then how we can live? We must keep something so that if there is any problem, I can live. If I leave everything, if I give everything to Guru Padma, what will happen? If there is any danger, then I can lose both this side and that side. So surely I cannot give everything. Whenever we have doubt about Gurupad Padma, that Gurupad Padma cannot arrange Mangal for me, then and only then we can reserve everything for our future life. We cannot offer everything unto lotus feet of Gurupad. Not possible. This kind of doubts in our life, that after giving everything, if some problem happen, how I can live? This kind of doubt in our life cannot go away. Our heart is full of doubts and suspicion. So naturally, we are going to depend upon ourselves. That's why your Amangal coming. But Prabhupada speaking, we forget that Bhagavan never cheat any Saranagata Bhakta. Who is 100% inclined unto lotus feet of Gurupad Padma, Bhagavan can never cheat him. Bhagavan can help him to fulfill his desire, because his desire is not material desire. Because Saranagata, whatever desire there, that must be in favor of bhakti. Surely. Like Bhagavan told in Gita, we know, in Gita Bhagavan speaking, Anannas chintayanto ye janamam parjupasate tesham nityavi yuktanam jogokhyam bahamyaham. Anannas chintayanto ye jana parjupasate. Those who are going to worship me, love me, doing seva, without any hesitation, without any second, completely. Anannas chintayanto ye jana mam parjupasate. Tesham for them, Tesham for them, Bhagavan speaking, I am going to protect whatever they have, and I am going to give whatever they need. Jogokhyam bahamyaham. Bhagavan directly going to confess in Gita. So this kind of doubt is baseless. If we think, well, if I am 100% inclined unto the lotus feet of Gurupad Padma, and if I give everything, then what will happen if some problem happens? This kind of doubts is the root cause of our amangal. Bhagavan never tried to deprive any inclined devotee. Whatever we need, Bhagavan can fulfill. So, Bhagavan can reserve the right, of giving shelter to us, everybody. He can give shelter, no other. Bhagavan can give shelter to us, only, nobody else. When we can believe 100%, like in Bhagavatam we know, Atra sargo visargasya sthanam pasana mutayo manyantare ishanu katha nirodha muktirasrayaha ittadi Bhagavate. All, everything. If we can believe 100%, Bhagavan is our only shelter, surely Bhagavan can save us. We are inclined to Him. Then and only then we can offer everything unto our lotus feet of Gurupad Padma. Otherwise we cannot offer. If some sort of fear going to disturb us, then we surely we cannot do. Surely we cannot do. If we become 100% inclined, realizing all Bhagavad Tattva Vigyan, then whatever seva we can do, we can ask for more and more seva. If this kind of belief there, Bhagavan can help 100%. Then we can submit, we can believe, no tension can be there. At the same time, whatever seva we can do, how many seva we can do, after that we can feel dissatisfaction, well, I have done nothing. I like to do more and more seva. I like to do more and more seva. I have done nothing. This kind of mood is a very good mood. Papa speaking, if we can reach this kind of mood, arthat aprakito dissatisfaction, we like to do more and more seva. In that case, no problem can be there, we can go up and up. Yesterday I was discussing, though so many technical problems and net problem, technical, so many problems. Mayadevi don't like to allow us to do Bhagavad Seva. That's why big problems are there. Still yesterday, I remember, I already discussed, there Swayam Bhagavan, Sri Krishna from their Swayam Roop, Tadekatma Roop or Avish Roop. Swayam Roop from Swayam Roop, Bhajanandan Krishna himself and Swayam Prakash. Swayam Prakash can be divided into two parts, Prabhav and Vibhav, Vaibhav, like Rasa Leela or Prabhav, all each of them is original Krishna. Not like Saubhari expansion of the body, not that. Rasa Leela all. And Vaibhav, same body is like same, a little bit different in color. Baba is like all I discussed. Yesterday I can remember I discussed Swayam Vilas, Sangsho, Avesh, Prakash, with all different kind of tattvas I wanted to discuss in short campus. I discuss, again today I can discuss also Avesh Avatar, etc. in details. Manantar Avatar, I must discuss. I already told, Bhagavan Sri Krishna Swayam can come in the form of Swayam Roop, Tadekatma Roop, Avesh Roop. Already I discussed. Tadekatma Roop, Purusha Avatar, different avatar. When Sangso, from Tadekatma Roop, Sangso, avatar gone, the Purusha avatar, Padam Purusha avatar, Ditya Purusha, second and third Purusha avatar, Manantar avatar, 14 Manantar, 14 Manantar avatar, Jaggo, Vibhu, Ittadi, 14 Juga avatar, Satyajug, Suklo, Raktos, Tathapito, Ittadi sloke, and Gunavatar also, Brahma, Shankar, Vishnu, all I discuss somehow. And also I told that Kshirada Gosai Sthulo Besti Virat Antojjami. First I told from Brahma Sangita, I already told 2 months before, Jasyaika nisheshita kalamathavalambho jivanti loma vilaja jagadanda natha Vishnu mahanasa iho jasya kala vishesho govindamadi purushantamam. Jasyaika nisheshita kalamathavalambho jivanti loma vilaja jagadanda natha. Mahavishnu, Karnanavasai, infinity Brahmanda coming and going. Chaitanya Chaitamito discussion there, Mahaprabhu speaking to Sanatana Gosai anyway. It is called Pratham Purusha Avatar. It is coming from Sankarshan. First Chaturbho in Golok around, after that second Chaturbhu, already I discussed everything. So, from there, each and every Brahmanda, Mahavishnu, Karnanavasai, entering into each and every Brahmanda, Ananta Brahmanda. There, from the navel part of Garbhoda Gosai Vishnu, Brahma coming out, and after that so many discussion. This is called Garbhoda Gosai. Each and every Brahmanda, Bhagavan Vishnu entering and taking control of everything, creation. Each and every Brahmanda, there is one Brahma created by Bhagavan, and that Brahma is creating, and that Brahma, sometimes some elevated jivas, jivkoti, Brahma can be there. Any jiva, qualified jiva, per consecutively for the hundreds of birth, perfect varnasam dharma who can observe, who can follow, he can be given the post of Brahma. Sometime in this creation, if this kind of jiva not available, then Garbhoda Gosai Vishnu himself coming in this form. I already discussed everything yesterday. You can remember. Pratham Purushavatar, second Purushavatar, and third Purushavatar. Purushavatar three type. Who is Karnanavasai, Mahatattva Shrashta, who is the creator of Mahatattva, Prakritir Antaryami, is the first Purush. He is Sankarshan Angsa, who is Garbhoda Gosai, who is the creator of Brahma. Remember, Sukshma Samasti Viratir Antarjami. He is Sukshma Samasti Viratir Antarjami. Samasti Virat means each and every Brahmando altogether, Samasti Viratir Antarjami. Sukshma Samasti Antarjami. He is Ditya Purush, Vaikuntanath is Tityabhu, Pradyumna Angsha is the Angsha of Pradyumna, I already told. And who is each and every Brahmanda, there is one Khir Sagar, Sthulo Vashti Viratir Antarjami, Titiya Purush, is a part of Anuddha Angsha, Anuruddha. This I already discussed. After that, Gunavatar, I already told. Vishnu, Brahma, Shiva. Vishnu taking the charge of Sataguna, Brahma taking the charge of Rajaguna, and the Shiva going to take the charge of Tamaguna. So, Titiya Purushavatar, third Purushavatar, Kshiroda Gosai, going to take care of this creation by the help of Satogun. His name is Vishnu. Okay? Kshirodakasai Vishnu, Titiya, third Purusha avatar, he himself going to take care of this creation, Palankarta Vishnu. Though Vishnu is taking the charge of Satogun, but still no Prakita Guna, Satorajatamo cannot touch him. Though Vishnu is in charge of Satoguna, but still no material quality can change him. He is Achyuta, never displaced from his position. So, third Purusha avatar, Kshirodakasai, Satogun, by the help of Satogun, he is going to take care of this Brahmanda. Garbhodakasai, from the navel part of Garbhodakasai, what lotus stem came out and lotus flower, there Brahma discovered him. He is a Rajagun, he is moved, he is in charge of Rajagun. Rajagun is Srishtikarta. Sometime in this creation, if such qualified jiva is not available, then Bhagavan Garbhodakasai himself taking charge of that. Or sometime qualified jiva available, then that jiva is given this post of Brahma. And that type of Brahma surely getting power from Bhagavan for creation. Because he is Jivakati. Any pious Jiva, very nice Jiva, due to his very, very excellent previous karma phal, he is given this post of Brahma. Or sometime Jivas, qualified Jivas taking the post of Brahma, and sometime Bhagavan himself coming down to take the post of Brahma if no qualified Jiva available. But Jivkoti Brahma getting power from Bhagavan, Jivkoti Brahma getting power from Bhagavan and doing his creation seva. By the power of Bhagavan, if Bhagavan translating power him, that's why he can do. That's why this can be called also, though we know Gunavatar, we know it is Gunavatar, Brahma, Vishnu, Asankar. But still, when qualified Jiva available, then Bhagavan going to transfer power to him for the seva of creation. Though this is called Gunavatar, still it can be called Aveshavatar, because Bhagavan going to transfer power to him to carry out the order of creation. That Aveshavatar, Brahma inside him, Rajagun surely there. That Aveshavatar, Brahma inside him, because Rajagun is Vibhavito, Bhagavan purposely going to give him the charge of Rajagun, is motivated. That's why he is Rajagun Vibhavito and doing creation. About this Brahma, in Bhagavatam, whatever chapter at present going on, in Bengali. English, Kartik Mas already done. Chatushan wanted to ask to Brahma one day that how it is possible the chitta getting entry into matter and matter also getting into the chitta. How unknowingly this kind of procedure going on. There one Brahma, first of all Chatushan wanted to ask Brahma, but that Brahma was busy with his some matters relating to creation. So naturally he was off-minded. That's why when Brahma took shelter and told respect of Bhagavan, then Bhagavan immediately appeared there to give answer to this question. That Brahma, it is written, Brahma was little bit, in tension regarding creation, everything. So, that Brahma is Uchcho Jivkoti Brahma, not Ishwar Koti Brahma. Follow. So, this kind of Brahma, one qualified Jiva Koti. Then Bhagavan translating power, that's why he can do. So, in one sense, he is Gunavatar because he is taking control of Rajaguna. At the same time, by the transfer of Shakti inside him, he is going to carry out the order of Bhagavan, creation. That's why also Saktavish also we can say. And in this avatar, when one Jivakoti Brahma, surely he is contaminated with Rajagun, so surely there is some gulf difference, big havoc difference between Vishnu. So, there is some basic difference, gulf difference between that Brahma and Vishnu. So, in Chaitanya Charitamrita it is written, Titiya Purush Vishnu Gunavatar, Titiya Purush Kherodakasai Vishnu, he is samasti, all jivas, they are in charge, totally coming from him. Titiya Purush Avatar Gunavatar, Titiya Purush, Vishnu, Gunavatar, three avatar Vitore Gaunavatar. I already told, when one Uchcha Jivkoti Brahma is there, then that Jivkoti Brahma surely contaminated with Rajagun, but when qualified Jiva not available, when Garbhoda Gosai Vishnu himself taking the form of Brahma, in that case, he is not contaminated with Rajagun. Brahma is not. So, altogether, Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwar. So, Brahma is the in charge of Rajagun, and Shiva is the in charge of Tamagun, they are also. If any qualified Jeev, then by the power of Ditya Purush Garbhodasai, in that case, he become Brahma, Bhakti Misra Kito Punne Kono Jivottamo, Rajagune Vibhavito Puritar Mano, Garbhata Gosai Dare Shakti Sanchari, Garbhata Gosai Vishnu, giving power, Basti Srishti Kare Krishna Brahma Rudra. So, this is the conclusion. If any qualified jiva is available, then Dityo Purush, Garbhata Gosai, translating power in and that kind of Jivkoti Brahma. If not available, then he himself appear as Brahma. So, Bhakti Misra Krita Punne Kono Jivottamo Rajogune Vibhavita Puritar Mono Garbhata Gosai Dare Shakti Sanchari Vyasti Srishti Kare Krishna Brahma Rup Dhari. Power is coming from Krishna, so by the power of Krishna, Brahma created. But any kalpa, when qualified jiva is not available, then Garbhata Gosai himself taking the form of Brahma, Chaitanya Charitamrita. This is also applicable, Vishwanath Chakravarti was writing. Sometime Vishnu himself taking the post of Indra. Follow. Sometime, if not qualified jiva is available to take the post of Indra, Bhagavan himself coming in the form of Indra, just like example in Swayambhuva Manvantar, Sri Yogyaksha Hari, he is himself Indra. He took the post of Indra. Swayambhuva Manvantar, in Bhagavad Gita Mahapuran, 8 Canto, 1 Chapter 18. You can go. So Swayambhuva Manvantar, there Bhagavan Sri Yogyaksha Hari, he took the post of Indra. Swayam Vishnu, when Vishnu himself taking the post of Brahma, that Brahma is no other than Vishnu. Be careful. When Vishnu taking the post of Brahma, in that case, Brahma or Indra, if qualified is not available, then Bhagavan taking the post of Indra. Shankar also same. If qualified jiva not available, Bhagavan Sri Krishna taking the post, this way. So, when Vishnu taking the post of Brahma, that Brahma or that Indra is non-different from Vishnu. Be careful. Starting from the Patal up to Satyaloka Chaudya Bhuvan, Bhur Bhuva Swamaho Yano Taposattu, on Patal Adi, from Patal up to Satyalok, all the Sthula Samasti Virat Roop, all that Samasto, all Sthula, gross body of this whole creation, Prakito Nikhil Padatva, it is called the body of Brahma. The gross body of Brahma, that is also Brahma. But within that gross body, who is there, Jivkoti Brahma, Shukshma Jiv Rup Hiranyagarbho Brahma, he is also Brahma. Follow. That gross body, within this gross body, in the Sukshma Jiv Rup, Uchchakoti Jiv, I already told, Sukshma Jiv Rup Hiranyagarbho, he also Brahma. আর হু ইজ অন্তর্যামী, যিনি গর্ভদ গোসাই দ্বিতীয় পুরুষ, ঈশ্বর। অন্তর্যামী যিনি গর্ভদ গোসাই দ্বিতীয় পুরুষ, he is Ishwar himself. But from him, Brahma can take birth. And also, Shankar Bhagavan, Shiva is the controller of Tamagun, Ananta Tamagun Dara, who is going to destroy. Anyway, I told Vishnu is not touched by any material qualities, though he is externally is in charge of Satagun to maintain the whole creation. It's okay. Similarly, by Tamagun, who is in charge of Tamagun, is Shiva, Shankar. So, Sthulo, who is the gross body of Vairaj Purush, or Shukshmo Hiranyagarbho Srishtikarta, Padmadbhavo Ishwar Koti Brahma, who is having this gross body, Vairaj Purush, or Shukshmo Hiranyagarbho Srishtikarta, who has given birth, Padmadbhava Ishwar Koti Brahma, because he is non-different from Vishnu, not Uchchakoti Jeev. He also can take the form of Shiv, follow. When qualified Jeev not available, Bhagavan Kshirodakasha Vishnu taking the form of Brahma appearing. Follow. So, Brahma took birth from Garbhoda Gosai Vishnu, it's a navel stem, okay? That Garbhoda Gosai has given birth Vairaj Purush or Shukshmo Hiranyagarbha Srishtikarta, Padmadbhavo, who Padmadbhava Ishwar Koti Brahma, who discovered himself in the flower, lotus flower, Ishwar Koti Brahma, he is, because Bhagavan himself taken from. Similarly, he, that Ishwar Koti Brahma, he is taking the form of Shiva to destroy the creation, and some kalpa, in some certain kalpa, some qualified jiva available, he can take the form of Shiva, and if not qualified jiva available, then Swayam Vishnu, Garbhoda Gosai, he also taking the form of Shiva, like the case of Brahma. And in other, some kalpas, Sadasiv also, Sadasiv, who is non-different from Vishnu Tattva, he also sometime taking the form of Shiva to destroy. Some uncertain kalpa. Sadasiv also. Anyway, Kailaspati Shiva is coming from that Sadasiv. But we know Sadasiv is Nirgun, but we know very well Sadasiv is Vaikuntha Tattva. Sadasiv is Vaikuntha Tattva. He is Nirgun. And he is the Vilas Vishesh, Vilas Sarup of Swayam Rup. And that Sadasiv is the Angshi. Angshi means from whom Angsha coming. It's called Angshi. He is Gunavata Shiva Angshi. He is the Angshi of Gunavatar Shiv. Gunavatar Shiv, Kailaspati, coming from him, Angshi. He is the Angshi, original. So naturally, he is far more superior to Brahma. Because from Sadasiv, Gunavata Sadasivirams, so he is far superior to Brahma, his sister, Vishnu Saman. Of course, when Bhagavan himself taking the form of Brahma, not that time, ordinary Brahma, when Jivkoti taking the post of Brahma, he is far better than him. Follow. So, Brahma is the Vishnu Saman. But when Jiva given this post, in that case not. This is applicable, this is not applicable. Jini Shogun, who is contaminated with Tamagun, he is different from Vishnu. Be careful. On the Leela Avatar, we must discuss so many Leela Avatar. First of all, we should understand what is Leela Avatar. What is Leela Avatar? Definition is that Leela Avatar, three types I already told. Kalpa Avatar, Manvantar Avatar, Ajuga Avatar. If the effort and activities, if some effort and activities under the control of that Supreme Lord, Parameshwar, when doing different kind of Leela. Leela means any of his efforts and activities not natural, completely under his own control, Sechadin, and which is full of diversity and taste, new Ananda Ullas, even at waves, like waves in the ocean. He is Anandamaya Leela and Nitya Nava, new, Ullas, full of diversity. First of all, his activities and effort under his own control. His activities full of diversity and new wave coming as if Tarangaito. That kind of chesta, that kind of effort and activities of Bhagavan is called Leela. All different kind of Leela, avatar, Bhagavan doing different kind of important Leelas. Bhagavan je sakal avatare, Bhagavan in different avatar, in that specific avatar, when Bhagavan doing different kind of activities, excellent, tasty, that is called Leela Avatar. Leela Avatar also can be divided into two parts. Some Leela Avatar coming and going, not staying for a long time. Leela Avatar can be divided into Prapancha Avatar and Avasthiti Kalanusari. Can be divided into three parts. One is Kalpa Avatar, Manvantar Avatar, Juga Avatar. So that Leela Avatar, Kalpa Avatar, different Kalpa Avatar, Manvantar Avatar, Ajuga Avatar. So Swayambhuva Manvantar, Sri Jagyaksho, Hari Swayam took the form of Indra. So Leela Avatar, we can Chatussan, we can discuss Leela Avatar, Chatussan, Narad, Baraho, Matsya, Yagyo, Naranarayan, Kopil, Datto, Hayasirsho, Hamso, Prishnigarbho, Rishabho, Prithu, Nishingo, Kurmo, Dhanvantari, Mohini, Vaman, Parshuram, Raghunath, Vyas, Balabhadra, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki, Ittadi Prati, they almost in each kalpa, they almost in each kalpa they are coming, one time. That's why they can be named, they can be called, they can be named as Kalpavatar also. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Kalpavatar 24. Chatussan, Narad, Baraho, Matsya, Yagyo, Naranarayan, Kopil, Naranayan together one. Kopil, Datto, Datto means Dattatreya. Hayasirsho, you know, घोड़े का मापिक मुख है शीर्ष माथा, हंसो, कृष्णगर्भो, ऋषभ, पृथु, निसिंहो, कुर्मो, धन्वंतरी, मोहिनी, वामन, परशुराम, रघुनाथ, व्यास, बलभद्र, कृष्ण, बुद्ध, कल्की, etc. is called Leelavatar, also Kalpavatar, because each and every Kalpa they are coming. So, Kalpavatar, they can be called with Kalpavatar. Each and every Kalpa, one time they are coming. That's why they can be called as Kalpavatar. They can be called as Kalpavatar. And Manvantar Avatar also, you can Manvantar Avatar, 14 Manvantar, Yagyo, Vibhu, Satyasena, Hari, Vaikuntha, Ajit, Vaman, Satvabhaumo, Rishabh, Vishaksen, Dharmasetu, Sudama, Yogeshwar, Brihad, Bhavan, all. Okay? 14 Manvantar, you should remember 14 Manvantar. 14 Manvantar, one is Swayambhuva. After that you go on counting. Swayambhuva, Sarochiso, I mean first Swayambhuva, Sarochiso, Uttamo, Tamaso, Raivato, Chakshus, Vaivatsataha, Savarno, Daksha Savarno, Brahma Savarno, Dharma Savarno, Ruddha Savarno, Deva Savarno, Indra Savarno. 14 Manvantar. And each Manvantar, what I told already, they are gradually going to take the post. Follow. Manvantar Avatar. So this way, Joggo, Vibhu, Satyasena, Hari, Vaikuntha, Ajit, Vaman, Sarvabhauma, Rishabho, Vishaksen, Dharmasetu, Sudama, Yogeshwar, Brihadbhan. Okay? That's called 14 Manvantar, Swayambhuva, Sarochiso, Uttama, Tamaso, Raivato, Chakshuso, Vaivassato, Savarno, Daksha Savarno, Brahma Savarno, Dharma Savarno, Rudra Savarno, Deva Savarno, Indra Savarno. And all 14 Manvantar avatar, you can count accordingly, very easy. Starting from Joggo, Vibhu, Satyasen, Hari, Vaikuntha, Ajit, Vaman, Sarvabhauma, Rishabha, Vishwaksena, Dharma Setu, Sudhama, Yogeshwara, Brihad, Bhanavaha. And Yugavatar also, I know, in Bhagavatam we already written, na? Suklo raktos tathapito idanim krishnatam gataha. Asano, at the time of giving name, to Krishna, name giving ceremony, Gargamuni in Gokul, inside Gosala, by the request of Nanda Maharaj, Gargamuni wanted to give name, but very careful, he already wanted to forecast. Manvantar avatar, all according to their own right, Satya, Treta, Dapur, Kali Yuge, Manvantar avatar, all according to their, seva, they are coming gradually. Manvantar avatar, they are doing Nija Nija Adhikar, according to the right, they continuously appear. Manvantar avatar sakal Nija Nija Adhikar Bhakto, because Satya, Teta, Dapur, Kuli rotating, Satya, Teta, Dapur, Kuli rotating. What I say, try to understand. Brahma one day 71, Chaturjug, one Manvantar, one Manvantar. 71 Chaturjug. Within that, I count Swayambhuvo Sarochiso, Uttamo, Tamoso, Roivat, Chakshut, Vaivasata. This Vaivasata Manvantar, and in one day of Brahma, is very big. One day of Brahma, only one day of Brahma is very big. Within that 14 Manvantar, only 7th Manvantar, 6th gone, 7. That is called Vaivasata Manvantar. There 27 Chaturjuga gone and 28 Chaturjuga almost going to finish. That time only one time in a Brahma day. In one day of Brahma, one time Krishna coming, Nandanandan Krishna coming, and just after that Dapur Yug end, Krishna coming, just Krishna gone, Dapur Yug end, after that Gauranga coming, Krishna coming in the form of Gauranga. Try to understand, no complication. This way, only one time Krishna and Gauranga coming in the whole full one day of Brahma. That is a very rare avatar. Now point is that, এই সমুদয় অবতারের মধ্যে অর্থাৎ লীলা অবতার, মন্নন্দন অবতার, যুগ অবতার, some of them can tally with Avesh. I know you can feel complication. In all those avatars, some of them, like already I told, though they are, Leela avatar, Brahma one day kalpa, Chaturdas Manvantara Brahma one day. And one manvantara duration is 71 Chaturjuga. I already told, though Leela avatar already I count, চতুষ্ষণ নারদ বরাহ মৎস্য যজ্ঞ नरनारायण कपिल दत्तात्रेय हयशीर्ष हयग्रीव जिसको बोला जी which is called हयग्रीव हंसो पृष्णिगर्भ ऋषभ पृथु निसिंह कुर्मो धन्वंतरी मोहिनी वामन परशुराम रघुनाथ व्यास बलभद्र कृष्ण बुद्ध कल्कि. They are all almost coming in Pratikalpa. Each and every kalpa, almost one time they are coming, sure. Each kalpa. That's why they can also be called as Kalpavatar, though we know Leela Avatar. So similarly, I already told some Shaktavesh, already I told, though is a Gunavatar. But still, Bhagavan going to translate power, so automatically it is also can be counted as Avesh Avatar, Shakta Avesh. So, what all I already discussed, all avatars, I already told some of them Lila Avatar, some of them Manandar Avatar, some of them Jugavatar. Jugavatar, I like to discuss more in details. I can take more time. Jugavatar, because I will have to specifically point out that Shuklo Raktos Tatha Pitho. Usually in Satyayuga, white, Shuklo, in Treta-yuga, Raktavarno, तथा पीतो follow. Ordinary Kali Yuga, there actually avatar is black Krishna. That Krishna cannot be called our Krishna. That is separate. So, whatever avatar, Samuha, I already told, Lila avatar, Manantar avatar, Juga avatar, etc. Some of them can be counted as Avesh, some of them Prabhav, some of them Vaibhav, some of them Paravarasto already. Like, again I can go to the origin. First of all I can say Sri Krishna Swayam Bhagavan. From there, Swayam divided into two parts. Swayam Brajanandandan, Swayam Prakash. Swayam Prakash also can be divided into two parts. Prabhav Prakash, Vaibhav Prakash. Prabhav means is Rasa Leela. Each Krishna is original Krishna. It's all. I don't like to go anymore. Vaibhav Prakash, Balaram Adi, every. Now, from Swayam Bhagavan, Swayam Rup, Tathekatmarup, I already told, Vilas or Sangso. Vilas, I already told, first Chaturbhuha, second Chaturbhuha, Vaibhav Vilas, Prabhav Vilas, Vaibhav Vilas. Sangso, you can count all avatar as Purusha avatar, Pratham Purush, second Purush, third Purush, and Sangso from Sangso, Manantar avatar, 14, that I count now. Jugavatar also, Satto, Teta, Dapor, Kali. Follow. Usually in ordinary Kali Yuga, Krishna means Krishna Bhagavan. And Dapur Yuge, ordinary Dapur Yuge, Sham. Sham means one special body is there. With him, body can be complete. Ordinary Dapur Yuga. And Satyayuga, Shuklo, Treta-yuga, Rakto, Dapur Yuga, Sam, Shuklo, Raktos, Tatha, Pito. Idanim Krishnatam Gataha. This detailed discussion I can do next week. Now you already hear Juga Avatar, Satyayuga Avatar, Treta, Dapur, Kali. Okay? Gunavatar I already discussed, Vishnu, Brahma, Shiv already. And I told Swayam Bhagavan can take three forms, Swayam Roop, Tadekatma Roop or Avesh Roop. Okay? And Avesh Avatar, I already told, when special Shakta Vishta Avatar, that is called Kopil, Rishabh, Shaktavesh, Shesh, Ananto, Brahma, Chatusha, all, etc. And Shaktavas Vishishto, also you can find Shaktavas for some time coming and going away. It is like Vibhuti, Shaktavas Vishishto Guna Vibhuti. Follow. Avesh Avatar. So naturally, all avatar, what all avatar we discuss, some of them can be counted, Lila avatar, Manantar avatar, Juga avatar. Some of them can be counted as Avesh, some of them Prabhav, some of them Vaibhav, or Paravarasa. Paravarasa means almost equal to Krishna, like Ram, Nishingo, that Paravarasa avastha. I can discuss it. Remember, all those Manantar avatar, in different Manantar, I already told, Jaggo, Vibhu, Satyasen, Hari, Vaikunto, Ajit, Vaman, Sarvabhauma, Rishabh, Vishaksen, Dharmasetu, Sudhama, Yogeshwar, Viratbhanu. A Manantar avatar all, according to their own right, when their time of coming is matured, Satyateta Dapur Kali Yuge, Manantar avatar Sakali Nijinu Adhikar Bhukto Satyateta Dapur Kali Yuge, Yadakumandanpur. This Manantar avatar, they all, according to their own right, when they are going to appear, Satto Teta Dapur Kali Yuge, when they are coming, then Shuklo Rakto Shyam, Shuklo Rakto Shyam Krishna is this color, body color, and different name they can take. They submerge with Juga avatar. Follow. Manantar avatar, according to their own right, they are coming sometime in Satto, Teta, Dapur, Kali, according to their, so Shuklo, Rakto, Shyam, or Krishna, Varno, this body color and Nandhanu Juga avatar hoya thake. They. Juga avatar, those who are Juga avatar, they are not avatar or of Garbhodu Sai. Those who are Juga avatar, surely they are not coming from Garbhodu Sai avatar nahe, not. Garbhodu avatar. It is written in Laghu Bhagavatam Rito, what I am discussing at present. Kathate Varno Namabhyam Suklo Satyajogi Hari Rakto Shyam Krama Krishna Stetayam Dapare Kalu Upasana Visheshartham Satyadishu Jugeshu Asau Manantara Avatarastu Jatha Avatarati Krama. It is the general rule of, it is the general, usual rule of general Juga avatar. But sometimes special, kachit, some one particular Chaturjuk, like I told, in Vaivasvata Manantar, 7th Manantar within 14, 27th Chaturjuk gone, 28 Chaturjug last, almost finishing Dapar, Krishna coming, after that Gauranga. In that time, Jugavatar, everything going to mix with them. I mean, within that avatar, Jugavatar already coming, already inside them. That is special within Krishna. They are already coming. Not that Jugavatar cannot come. Since Jugavatar is already hidden inside them, so we cannot count specially. This is the usual rules of each and every ordinary Chaturjuga Niyam. But some certain Chaturjug, which is very special, what I have already specifically told. Dapar, that time in Dapar Yuga, Vaivasvata Manvantar, 27 Chaturjug gone, 28 Chaturjuga, end of Dapar, Krishna coming, and after that, immediately that Kali Yuga, Krishna coming in the form of Gauranga. So, some special Chaturjuga, there, whatever Krishna এবং Pitavarna Jugavatar Kasasta, that Krishna or Pitavarna Jugavatar Kasastra, it is written in Bhagavata Gargamuni, this particular, be careful, this particular Chaturjuga, within that Chaturjuga, this is Vaivasvara Manvantar, Dapar Yug gone, Dapar Yug end, Krishna came, after that Kali and Gauranga came. Now point is that Krishna gone, Krishna took birth, took advent, Krishna came just at the end of Dapar Yuga, of that particular Chaturjug, within that Chaturjug this. And after immediately going, Krishna took birth at the last of Dapar Yuga, Gauranga took birth in the came in the beginning of Kali Yuga. So Gargamuni, particularly this Teta Yug, this particularly Dapar Yug gone, we are very lucky. This particularly Chaturjug, within this Chaturjug, that particular Dapar Yug gone, that time Krishna gone. And that time, at that time, Gargamuni going to calculate and speaking the hidden secret, hidden truth. This is particular within this Chaturjug, just Dapar Yug gone, and that time Gargamuni was giving this name. Then he told, Asano, Asan is past tense, Asano, Varnas Trayohi Aso, Grinnato Anujugantanu, Suklo Raktos Tathapito, Idaning Krishnatam Gata. Shuklo in Satyuga, Teta Yuga, Rakto, Tatha Pito, follow. Idaning Krishnatam Gata. Arthat, that's mean, try to realize. More scientifically, I can try to discuss next week. Asano varnas trayohi asho grinnato anujugam tanu. Suklo raktos tathapito idaning krishnatam gata. Suklo white, suklo rakto pito, different kind of body effulgence, body color. Satto, Teta, this particular Kalikal, this Kalikale, Dharen Sipati. Pitovarna. Usually in Kalikal there is black color. I already told, usually Kali Yug Vishes, Krishna or Pitavarna Yuga. Krishna, particularly this Kali Yug, This Kali Yuga there is golden avatar. But for all other Kali, there is Krishna Varna. That Krishna is not Krishna. So, usually there is Suklo, Raktos, Tatha, and the different kind of, Kali Yuga, usually Satto, Teta, Dapur, Kali. Suklo, Rakto, Shyam or Krishna Varna. Be careful. Ordinary Chaturju, all ordinary Chaturju, Shuklo, Rakto, Shyam or Krishna. This Yugata, I mean in Kalikal, this particular Kalikal, Pito Varna. Usually Krishna Varna, all other. Satyajug always white, Shuklo, Rakto, Tatha. This is Swam or Krishna, ordinary. All ordinary Chaturjuga, all each and every, this is the color. But particularly when in this particular Dapar Juga gone, when Krishna, when Gargamuni wanted to give name, that time he is speaking Asano. Asano mane past tense. Asano Varanas Trayohi Aso Grinnato Anujugamton. According to Juga, yeah, different kind of body color and different kind of shape it took. Shuklo Raktos Tatha Pito. Pito. Idaning Krishnatam Gata. What is called Pito, Shuklo Raktos Tatha Pito, Pito. Pito is like Suk Pakhi, one special color, body color, is Pito. Arthat, usual Kali Yuga, it is black, and usual Dapar Yuga, it is Shyam. That Shyam not means Krishna, Shyam. But this particular Yuga, Shukla Ratas Tatha Pito, Pito, Aktas Pito, I mean, Shuklo, particularly for this Chaturjuga, Shuklo, Rakto, Pito mean cyclic order is Satto, Tepa, Dapar, Koli. Satto, Teta, Dapar, Koli. I mean, Gargamuni wanted to say, Je Asano Varnastrayohi Asho Ginnato Anujugantanu Shuklo, Raktos, Tatha, Pito, Idaning Krishnatam Kata. When your boy, Shukla Varno, Rakto Varno, Shukla Varno in Sattva Juga, Rakto Varno in Teta Juga, and Pita Juga, particularly this, this Dapar, Krishnatam Gataha. These are detailed discussion I can do. Krishnatam Gataha means big inner meaning there. Krishnatam Gataha means black color, not that. It's okay. But all inner meaning there. Krishnatam Gataha means all, avatara, everything resting inside him. All, everything. He is going to take everything inside him. Krishnatam Gataha, Krishna, and that Atat Suklo, Rakto, Pito Varno, Tinduti, Satto, Teta, Akalika. Suklo, Satyajug, Rakto, Tetajug, and this Kalikal, particular Kalikal, Pito Varno. And Idaning, at present in this Dapar, he has taken Krishna Varno. Sarvo Saste Puraner Marmo. Again and again I am speaking. Shuklo, Rakto, Shyam or Krishna. This is the usual avatar of each Satto, Teta, Dapar. But Gargamuni going to point out this particular, this avatar, that your boy, Asana Varnasai also, Grinnatuni. According to Juga, different, he is taking different body color, everything. asano and suklo rakto tata pito, suklo rakto pito varno, yuti, satto teta or kali. Gargamuni speaking, Satyajug, your boy took the form of, suklo white, and teta rakto, and Kalikal there, he took Pita Varno, and at present he has taken Krishna Varno. So, in Chaitanya Charitamrita written, Satya Teta Kalikale Dharen Sripati Idaning Dapore Hoiya Iho Hoilo Krishna Varno. What is written in Shastrokto, that Krishna and Pita Varno, that is going to indicate a special Yugavatar, Yugavataradvaya. According to Shastra, what is Krishna and Pita Varno, it is exceptional Yugavataradvaya. They are not avatar. Asadharan is very special Yugavataradvaya. They are not only ordinary avatar, avatari, I mean Swayamrup. Idaning Krishnatam gataha means Krishna, Ladva Akarshan, no Anandadayak, Krish, all avatar, countless everything, Krishna when appear, all avatar, countless, they are going to enter into the body of Krishna. This also Krishna, Idaning Krishnatam gataha. Idaning, at present, your boy is black, not speaking like this. Not speaking like this. Idaning Krishnatam gataha. Yes, Krishnatam gataha. Like when we discuss the sloka from Rasamrita Sindhu, Rasamrita Sindhu, when we are discussing one sloka, we are discussing, there we see, there we are discussing one sloka nice. We are speaking what that sloka is, I forget. I always speaking, I mean, Gyan. For the ordinary sloka, very nice, we are speaking that what is actually, we are discussing one sloka, nice, say, there, Gyane Prayas, no, actually, that sloka where we say, Yugavatar, okay, I can remember, no problem. Suklo Rakto Statapita is this. So, Sastrotto, what is written? Anna Vilasita Sunyam, I remember. Anna Vilasita Sunyam, Gyano Karamadi Anabritam. Anna Vilasita Sunyam, Gyano Karamadi Anabritam. Anna Vilasita Sunyam. Anna Vilasita should not be there, zero. Shunya. But Gyano Karmadi Anabritam, uncovered. Not speaking, Gyano Karmadi Sunyam, not speaking. So here also this kind of meaning, Krishna, at present your boy is Krishna, not speaking. Is speaking Krishna Tam Gataha. It has some inner meaning, I can explain next week very clearly. Krishna Tam Gataha means he is going to draw all, pull all, avatara, he is going to take inside him, he is a Purna avatar. That is the inner meaning. I can explain next week. So, according to Shastra, this Krishna and Pitavarna, I mean Gauranga in Kali and Krishna, not speaking black color, only Krishna. Krishna Tam Gataha. He has taken this Krishna form. Akarshan, by drawing all avatar, everything. This is not avatar, it is called avatari. Krishna and Gauranga, not avatar, it's called avatari. Sastrokto Krishna এবং Pitavarna, I mean Gauranga, is exceptional Yuga Dvaya. They are not avatar, they are avatari, as Swayamrup. So, in between these two, first is Swayam Bhagavan Krishna, who came, and inside Krishna all avatars are there, countless. Countless avatars there in Krishna. And when that Krishna gone, in that particular Kali Yuga, Pitavarna meant Chaitanya Gosai. Pitavarna Dityo, Shei Krishna Avatirna Chaitanya Gosai. Arthat, that Krishna came in the form of Sri Gauranga Mahaprabhu, that special Dapar, that special particular Dapar Yug and Kali Yug, that particular special Dapar Yug and Kali Yug is not ordinary Dapar Yug Kali Yug. Sadharan, in ordinary Dapar Kali Yug is different, but it is very special. They are Swayamrup Bhagavan. When Krishna and Gauranga coming consecutively in the special Dapar Yug and Kali Yug, then like ordinary Dapar and Kali Yug, all Swatantra Yuga Avatar, no need of any separate Yuga Avatar. No need of separate Yuga Avatar, they are coming inside them. Swayam Bhagavan appear, that's why automatically Swayam Rup, Swayam Bhagavan. So within this, all Yuga Avatar, Mananta, ordinary, if they coincidentally, if they are there, they can come with Krishna, not separately. Swayam Bhagavan, since Swayam Bhagavan coming, so they are within the Sarup, they are already inside Krishna or inside Gauranga. So they also can perform the duties of Yuga Dharma Pravartan, they can do Yuga Dharma Prachar, can be done automatically. No need of that Yuga Avatar, no need separately, because he is already there inside him. Not only Yuga Avatar, when Swayam Bhagavan going to appear, then all countless avatar, samasta avatar, they are entering. In Chaitanya Charitamrita it is written, Purna Bhagavan avatare jai kale. When Purna Bhagavan, Paratpara Akileshwar, Swayamrup Bhagavan coming, our sab avatar tateshi mile. All other avatar automatically appear inside him. Narayan, Chaturbuho, Matso, Kurmo, all Jug, Manantar, Avatar, Jato Ache Ar, Sabe Asi, Krishna, Ange, Hoy Avatirno. They all coming to enter into Krishna. Then separate no need. By chance, their time and this Krishna and Gauranga coming, if they are matching, then no separate Yuga Avatar need. So, Purna Bhagavan avatare jai kale. When Purna avatar, Swayamrup Bhagavan coming, then all other avatar automatically coming and residing inside him. Narayan, Chaturbuho, Matsya avatar, Yoga Manantar avatar, Jatwachar, Savyasi, Krishna Ange, Hoy avatirno, Oiche avatare Krishna, Bhagavan Purna. It's Chaitanya Charitamrita is written. Purna Bhagavan avatare jai kale, ar sab avatar tate ase mile, Narayan Chaturbuho Matsadi avatar, Yuga Manantar avatar, Jatwachar, Savyasi Krishna Ange, Hoy avatirno, Oiche avatare Krishna Bhagavan Purna. Chaitanya Charitamrita Adi Khando 4/4 4th stroke, 4th Adikondo, 4th chapter, 10 to 12. This way, Yugavatar, Krishna, this Yugavatar, Krishna, Aveshavatar, follow. What is Yugavatar Krishna? What is Yugavatar Krishna? In Kolikal, ordinary Kolikal, Krishna coming, but that Krishna is not that Krishna, not Swayamrupa Bhagavan Krishna. It is separate Krishna. Repeatedly I am repeating, because there is every possibility and confusion. Again I can discuss next week, because there, if you think complicated, then you cannot understand. This Yugavatar Krishna, what I told, ordinary Kali Yuga Krishna coming, that is not Swayam Bhagavan Krishna. But there is also Kalikaler Jugodharma Nam Sankirtan. That also he is doing. So since Gauranga Mahaprabhu coming, so that Yugavatar need not come. He is already there inside Gauranga, and Gauranga himself doing the duty of Yugavatar also, Nam Dharma Sankirtan. This Yugavatar Krishna, Aveshavatar. Be careful, it is Aveshavatar. He is not Swayam Bhagavan Sri Krishna, not that. And also I can discuss Paravarastho. You can express some doubt. What do you mean by Paravarastho? Paravarastho Bhagavan, all different avatar, Bhagavan coming, not that all avatar having need, all avatar need same power, same sequence, everything. Though they are all Bhagavan, but they don't need to express, so much energy, so much thing. So, Bhagavan is Sakal avatar, they are not all one, same type. There are some diversity, some according to their expression. I cannot say they are less important, they are having less energy. I cannot use this kind of term. I can say, according to the situation, circumstances, according to the situation, whatever Shakti they need to express, there is some diversity, up and down. So, all avatar, Sakal avatar, Shakti Prakash, according to their expression of Shakti, there is some up and down, Avesh, Prabhav, Vaibhav, Paravarasto, or 4 type of things that I can discuss next week, because today if I discuss, you can feel complicated. According to time and circumstance, according to the necessity, for what reason this avatar coming. According to that, he is coming with that amount of energy, what need, what kind of Shakti, what kind of Leela. So, according to their, according to their diversity, Tartamo, Tarotamo, there can be spoken as Avesh, Prabhav, Vaibhav, Paravarasto, 4 types. Avesh avatar mean only one Shakti, like Naradji, Bhakti Shakti was given one. Avesh avatar, only one Shakti is translated. Jeshakal, though all those avatar, those who are coming with more Shakti, that is called Prabhav. And if more Shakti, still more Shakti is needed, that is called Prabhav, more than Prabhav. That is called Vaibhav. And where Purna Shakti, Sarva Shaktir, there Prakash, all Shakti there, complete. That is called Paravarasto. Aisarjo, Virjo, Jasasri, Gyan, Vairagyo, all Shakti at a time, Shadogunno. That is called Paravarasto. Ram, Nishingo, all Paravarasto. Arthat, Nishingo, Ram, Krishna, they are all Paravarasto, all reserved. Aishajyasya, Samagasya, Virjasya, Jasasastri, all. Jnana, Vairagyasya. But still, there is some comparative. Though Saragun, Saraishadya Purno, still in Nishingadev, Aishadya, and some special, requirement. So Nishingi, Aishadya Atishay, Ramchande, Madhurya Atishay Aviskaravai. So from Nishingo, Ramchandra avatar is more sweet, and also in Krishna Chando, all together you can get. So it is more important. This way comparative statement we can make, though we can say they are all same. Deepar chirevata santaram abhupitva deepayate vibhitva hetu samana dharma jastadrigevahi visnutvaya vibhati govindamadi purusham tamam bhai. I can discuss next week, excuse me, today time is over. So, we remember Bhagavan Sri Krishna is all in all. Lagu Bhagavatam Rito, Rupa Goswami wanted to make comparative statement and say all tattva in clearly. Krishna rakshati na jagatrayo guraha Krishna hi vishambaraha Krishna deva samattitam jagadidam Krishne layam gacchati Krishne tishtati vishwametadakhilam Krishna so dasavayam Krishne na khila sadgatir vitarita Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Vancha kalpataru se kripa sindhu bhaja patitanang pavana bhavishna bhyo namo.